Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I currently do not have an intro, so we're just gonna get right into the video. This will be a two-part video, and in part one, I will show you guys how I created a 13x4 frontal unit and how I bleached the knots. Throughout this video, I will not be going into super details, but if you would like me to, I can always do that in the future. Just comment and let me know. So I'm about to begin applying the bleach to the frontal, and you guys want to make sure you do not get any bleach on the hair itself because it will start to change colors. As you can see, I wiped that off so fast. But that's just minor mistakes you really have to pay attention to, because if you don't, then you'll have blonde patches in your hair. So this is how the frontal looks when I was done. Please learn from my mistakes. I have so much hair in the bleach, it's ridiculous. As you guys probably saw, there were some spots that weren't bleached in the last clip, so I had went back in and filled in those areas, and now I'm just rinsing off the frontal with some cold water. I'm not really big on conditioner. This is what I had, so this is what I used, and it definitely got the job done. The lighting was so terrible the way I was positioned, but can we please get into the lace? Like, do y'all see that? It's giving scalp and it's not even on my head yet. So the frontal is dry now, and can we get into the lace? Please. Period. But this is the needles I'll be using to make the frontal. I will not be going into full details on how I sew down my wig, but you guys can watch and always learn. If you would like a detailed video, just let me know in the comments, and I got y'all. Y'all, my mannequin head gonna be bobbing all over the place the whole video, so yeah, disclaimer. So this is how the frontal looks. The stitching could have been better, but the frontal is still flat, and that's all that matters. This is how the bundles look. They're 24, 26, and 26, and the frontal is 20 inches. I'm starting the process of sewing down the bundles. Again, this is not a detailed video, but if you guys would like one, just let me know in the comments. Another disclaimer, you want to make sure that the cap is completely flat. Mine's kept lifting up. I should have pinned it down. But yes, make sure you guys do that so that the wig will be flat all around. Please don't mind me, I look crazy. But this is how the unit looks after I'm done sewing everything down. Now I'm about to get into plucking this frontal, and y'all just gotta stay tuned for the final look. Plucking is such a tedious job. Like, I can't even try to start explaining during this video. Again, if y'all need details, just let me know and I got y'all. So this is how this side looked once I was finished with it. I have a very low hairline, so I have to pluck extra. And yeah, do y'all see the transformation? Like, I love it. Now, if you would like to see how I achieved this look, and if you would like to see the final look, just like, comment, subscribe, show some love, and I got y'all with part 2 real soon.